Yo, what's up guys? I'm here because I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube right now, right here. So I've seen lots of people wonder how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Well, it's pretty easy. But first, what I need you to learn is to learn the algorithms. And this should stay in your head for the rest of your cubing career. Well, if you have one, that is. Now, for what you want to start with, I know lots of people want to start with the right algorithm just works like this. Do this, do that, do this, and do that. That's the right algorithm. That's it. Okay? Pretty simple, right? Now the left algorithm. This, that, this, that. That's it. Like pretty easy, you know? So let's get started. First, you want to start with this white cross, okay? As you can see, I've got it like this, but oh no, this is swapped. You know what you gotta do? Take this to the top, do that, do this, and do that. Like this, if you ever forget to like switch the cube down, you don't, because it's already done for you. It makes your life much easier. Now, how to put these pieces in? First, find the pieces that match up. Green is here, orange is here. Pretty simple, right? See these? We're gonna put in the right algorithm, just like so. Done. Pretty simple. Now, we're gonna do that for the rest of the pieces. Okay? And one thing, if your piece is on the left side of the cube, you're gonna do a lefty algorithm, okay? Like this. But one thing, I have to show you a big trick, and this works for every single side. Say you have your piece like this, it's on the right side. Flip it here, and I'll tell you why. Because as you can see, if you have good brain power, you could interpret that if you did this, it would do it in one go, instead of doing the right algorithm 3 times. Okay, now we're gonna solve these edge pieces, and I'm gonna tell you how. First, start with a piece that matches up with the colors, okay? We have blue and red and blue and red. Now, we're gonna push it away, the piece away from where we wanna do it. Then do the left algorithm, because we pushed it away from the left side. And oh my God, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you. I'll show you again. So we have the orange and the blue. Do this, then do the left algorithm. You have it like this now. What do you do? That's lots of people think. Turn it 90 degrees over here, and then do the right algorithm to put the piece in. As you can see, that puts it in. That's exactly what I did right there. And you want to do that until you get it, okay? Now, this scenario is the worst. You have it like this. But it's pretty simple to solve. All you have to do is just start from here. You don't have to do anything. Start from here and do the right and then the left. Then there's some random piece in there, and then all you gotta do is just put it in properly then. Okay, I think you guys can understand that pretty clearly. Once again, I'll show you. Orange, green, green, orange. Okay, same thing. You're gonna do that. Push it away, and then right, then left. Now that we got it, look, we've already solved the first 2 layers. Nice, right? Now, as you can see, we have this. Now, people spend hours and hours, and I mean hours, trying to remember the algorithms for each and every base you can get for this, okay? But all you have to do is do this. Take this down, and this includes one of the algorithms, but it's the easiest. Do this, okay? And then look, you just keep on doing that until you get something. And look, we have a straight piece. Now you want that piece not to be vertical, horizontal. Okay, and then you're going to do that same algorithm once more. Now that we have it like this, now we're just going to try and see some pieces if we can get them. Now we have one like this and one like this, right? What you're going to do, you want these to be in the top right corner. And then you're going to start with the right, okay? And then you're going to do the right algorithm, but you're not going to take it back. You're going to take it forward, and keep an eye on these. Then take this up and take it all the way back. As you can see, it's fixed up all of my pieces. Now, what I've seen that's happened, and it's pretty common. Wait, I'm gonna see if I can get it like that. Oh no. 1 minute. Let's see. Can I get it oriented just like that? Oh my god. This is getting kind of annoying. I'm trying to show you when this side and this side are thing. And then you have a piece like this. It's on opposite ends. What do? Well, you have to keep them vertical from each other, not horizontal, and then choose any side, this or that, to stop. Okay, now you're gonna do what I tell you to. Do this, do that, but don't do this. You want to keep an eye on these two. Take it there and do this. Okay, pretty simple, right? Now, if you can see, no, it didn't solve them all, but it solved these two sides. Now these two sides, you do what I told you. Do that. Sorry. You want to keep an eye on these two. Do that, and then do that. You got it? Now, if you keep on turning, you finally actually have the cube like this. Now, we have one piece like this and the others are not solved. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna push this away from you so that you don't mess that piece up. It's gonna be your base. Take this side up and take it to the other side. Take this side up and then you just wanna solve it out. Then you have it like this. This piece is still solved, but we have some pieces that are not like that. Then you're gonna keep on doing this until you have, oh, lucky me, until you have pieces that are like on it like this. And sometimes you get those skips. I'm saying you get those skips sometimes, and it's the best. Now, see this? This is not oriented the right way. This isn't, but they're all in the right spots they have to be. For this, what you gotta do, and yeah, sometimes they can all be oriented the wrong way, and don't do what I just did, okay? Sometimes they can all be oriented the wrong way, and that's kind of annoying. But now, pick a side. I'm gonna pick blue. Now, you wanna solve it with the righty algorithm, full righty algorithm. So do that, and then keep on doing it until it gets fitted in. And then you might be thinking, do that? No, take this bottom bar down and then do the exact same thing until all of them are in. And as you can see, it's done. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And remember, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. If you like this video, leave a heart in the comment section and tell me what should I do next for you. Thank you.